Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you the easiest way to draw a nose. Okay, first I'm gonna talk about the materials that I use. So as you can see here, I have some pencils, paper blending, paper stamp, cotton swab, and eraser, and I might use the tissue paper. Okay, this is 2H pencil. It is a bit hard and light. We use it for some light areas, and HB pencil that a bit softer and darker than 2H, and 2B pencil, it is softer than HB and darker, and 4B is quite dark and soft. So this is paper stamp. We use it for some place that we want to blend, and also cotton swab for blending, and eraser and tissue paper. Okay, let's start sketching our nose. First step, we are gonna put some circle, and then we are gonna add a straight line on both sides of the circle, like this. So make sure you made some light lines, and then these two straight lines gonna be the bridge of nose. So another step, a line from the middle of the circle, okay. Now another line from the bottom of the circle, and we are gonna join these lines together. And now it is time for the edge of the nose. We are gonna draw it like this. Okay, now it's turn for nostril. Okay. Here we go. And now we clean the extra lines. Okay, perfect. There are many ways to sketch or draw the nose, and here is another way, the easiest way I'm gonna show you. Okay, we put another circle lightly, another circle, and two smaller circle on both sides of our big circle, like this. Okay, and then a straight line on the side of our big circle, another straight line. This is gonna be the bridge of our nose. We join it to our big circle. Okay, now it's turn for nostril. Here is okay, and this is gonna be our edge of the nose. Very easy and simple. Now we clean the extra lines. Okay, once we are done with the sketch, so we are gonna shade it, and first we should clean the dark lines and also extra lines. Okay, at first try to shade it with very light pencils. So the darker pencils will be used upon each other. It will help your drawing looks more realistic and beautiful. Okay, we're gonna start shading. Okay, after you finish the first step, shading, we are gonna blend it with the tissue paper. Gently. Okay, I think we are done with this. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed, then don't forget to subscribe, like and share our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.